What's going on, guys? So today we got little two videos going on. So beginning we have like what I could record because I was trying to do this one-handed and I didn't have a tripod or anything, of installing the Odyssey Fab bolted knuckle kit. So it's just replacement ball joint that adds some angle. So that video is going to come up, and then following that instantly is going to be the installation of the new oil pump, taking it apart, making sure we re-lube everything because these oil pumps now don't come lubed from the factory. So we're going to put some fresh lube on there, make sure everything's good, nothing's seized, put it back on. We're going to put all the timing components on and all of that. And yeah, it's good to meet. That's going to be today's video, so stay tuned and I hope you guys like it.
Time to remove the lower ball joint, swap out with the new one. Should be pretty simple. Cotter pin, 2 nuts, and that guy for the ball joint, and we're done. Here's a little before. Oop. There's before. Pop the bolt loose and hammer it off. Looks like this dust shield is going to hit the upper bolt on the sway bar if we get any more angle, so I'm just going to cut it off. See how it hit? Does it hit? Let me see. Yeah. So it's hitting right there. Right there. Let's lop it off. All right, so we got it on. Pretty simple, as you see on the other side. Sorry, I was able to. If you take the bottom bolts out, right here, when you take those out, you can lift the knuckle off. It makes it a lot easier to get it on. But torqued them up. Now I just got to tow out the car lot because with this kit, it towed out the car lot. So we just got to pull the tow out and then just get it on a rack later. Keep going. Give me all of it.
Look at all these angles.
Woo! That's a lot more angle.
Well, I gotta take it apart. That's the oil pump. I use the right socket though.
Yeah, it's going in.
Well, actually, I disassemble it because they come in dry. Apparently, they used to come in with oil. That's why I got lazy, and now it's all dry. So I gotta put assembly lube and make sure this this oil control valve. You're good. Thank you. I gotta make sure that oil control valve isn't seized because apparently they get seized up. Brand new. Because they don't put any oil in it. And there's no Loctite in the bolts. There's people that blew up brand new engines on startup.
Just by not lubing the pump?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, way to throw a project down the drain.
Oh. See? No oil.
Dry.
Dry as a bone.
Dry. That's crazy.
It's crazy. Like not even a little bit of oil.
Like nothing to prevent rust during shipping.
It's just so crazy that there's not even. Filled up. Now let's go put it in the car.
See if your viewers caught that.
I did. I said that. I was like, some people might have saw that.
Comments below.
Let me know down in the comments below. No O-rings. Alright, let's get these O-rings on and clean the silicone back off.
All right, then we can work on getting the timing components on now. Forgot still recorded. All right, got the motor all together. Oil pan's on. Everything's back together. Get the cams on. Timing's done. So now next video we're going to be putting in the car.